Hello, so I'm going to show you how to get the best GameStop promo code. So basically this promo code allows you to take $100 off of anything at the checkout. So as you can see, when I applied my code, it literally took $100 off the total of my shop, and now all I've got to pay is $28.90 for two really quite pricey games. So just at the checkout now, literally about to check out, the code has been applied, but I'm going to show you guys how you too can get a code just like this. So it all happens at IC Coupons. I was doing some research for really good promo codes for GameStop, but not too many came around, and then I came across this website, IC Coupons, and I guarantee you they have the best promo codes for GameStop and other brands as well. But so you just want to head to IC Coupons on a mobile device and then go to the search bar and type in GameStop or just game, to be short. And you just want to find their logo like that. So once you find their logo, you want to click on it and scroll down until you find their coupons and deals section. From there, it's going to give you a few different coupons you can choose from, but the very first one is that $100 off one. So from there, you can click show coupon code. And by the way, this method is super easy to do, by the way, guys. So as you can see, it's already given you the first half of your coupon. So just like mine, it starts with game and then you'll get your own unique set of numbers afterwards, but you want to unlock those numbers. So you want to click unlock code. And basically, guys, all you have to do is complete 2 to 3 free offers and then your code will become available. So what this means is you've just got to complete 2 to 3 of these free app offers from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on what device you're on. As you can see, there's heaps of different offers to choose from, but you want to go ahead and do at least 2, possibly a third one, but just start off with 2. So you want to read the description. So for example, this one just wants me to download, install, and run it for 30 seconds. I do recommend doing those ones just because they're super easy to do. But all of them are really easy to do, but this one is probably one of the easier ones of all of them. But some of the other offers just want you to install it and then sign up to their free thing. They're all like free, completely 100% to do. They install really fast as well, and as you can see, they're just from the App Store or Google Play Store. And then you want to go ahead and pick another one. So I'm just going to do this one because I've already completed it before. So I know, guys, you can only complete this once. So once you've got your free $100 promo code, you can only do it once. But yeah, you can probably try out the other codes as well. But either way, you get a $100 GameStop promo code. I'm not sure why that other one isn't installing. There we go. Start it again. Normally this works fine. I think my internet bugged out. Yeah. You get the point, guys. So just install 2 of the offers and then you want to go ahead and complete what they say. So this one just wanted me to create an account. So you want to go ahead and create an account. As I said, I've already done this, so I'm not going to actually sign up again. I'm not going to get a new code. As you saw, I've already applied mine at the checkout. But yeah, it's literally that easy. You just type in your email, phone number, and then that one's complete. And then for this one, all you got to do is run it for 30 seconds. So I recommend just pressing agree and continue. That way it 100% knows you're running the offer. And that's all you've got to do, guys. So that is literally how simple it is. So from there, after completing 2 of your offers, you want to go back to Safari and open up a new tab. You can go back to that IC Coupons website, just like that, guys. And you want to find GameStop again, so just type it in. You can also scroll through all the offers and see what other brands and companies are on here, but I'm just doing it the most efficient way possible to show you guys. And then you want to go back down to the coupons and deals and you want to find the coupon that you chose. So as we chose this $100 off one, you want to click show coupon code and the code should be available. If not, try another offer. But it is. Would you look at that, guys? It's literally the same code that we got before. So as you can see, you can only apply this once, but you'll get your own unique code that you can apply at GameStop, just like I did, and you'll literally be able to save $100 off of anything at the checkout. So this is all thanks to IC Coupons. Definitely check them out. And as I said, if you complete 2 offers and it's not available, just try a third one, and I guarantee you it'll be there after that. But that's how you do it, guys. That's literally it. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to comment below, and I'll try and get back to you.